Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to a new series um, that we're going to be starting on some of the features and processes and things that you can use Google for. And the first one that we're going to do is creating a Gmail account. I know many people have Gmails, but there are some that are still using their ISP provided account or an older account or whatnot. And sometimes we need to create a new fresh account. If certain domains can get flagged as spam or whatever, and we want to just go through and really quickly create a new account. So that's what we're going to do in this video, and then follow-up videos. We're going to talk about some of the other features and benefits of using Google, your Google email account, and that Google Suite, if you want to do that. And it can help personally, business, whatever. We just want to give you some good tips and ideas here. So let me come over here, and now hopefully you can see my screen. And all I'm going to do is just come over here and go to gmail.com. And you can see it'll pop up first with a login. And if you don't have a Gmail, that is perfectly okay. Just come down here to the bottom corner and do this create account. All right, then it's going to ask you if you want to do a personal account, one for my child, or for work, or my business. All right, you can go with whichever one you want. If you do the work or business, it's going to give you some extra tabs and features in there for AdSense and stuff like that. We'll just start with the personal one in this case. And what it's going to want first is just going to walk you through a quick little wizard here. Chris. And that's name is and what this is going to do is going to register your account under that name, but it's also this is going to be the from name that's used on your emails. All right, and then of course, um, it's going to want your birthday and gender for demographics and marketing. So we'll just do that. And January. We'll see if it'll let us. Okay. Yeah, and it is going to require um, a birth date here, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pause the video and put in my birth date right quick. Okay, and so I told it mail, and I entered in my birthday, hit next, and now we're on to the address screen. And here it's giving you some ideas based on the information it has, or you can pick your own. Okay, so in this case, like if I did my original one here, it should not let me do this. It shouldn't let me use this one because this is the one that I've already registered. And you click next, and it'll tell me, nope, sorry, it's already in use. Okay. So you can play around with ideas and figure out what and figure out what you want to use for this. And it will be whatever you have at gmail.com. Okay. Now I can. All right, my video stopped on me there. Okay, so now we're going to try this address. We'll try teameysighttraining@gmail.com. And now it's going to want me to create a strong password. And if you don't, if it's not strong enough for their characteristics, which is generally going to be a special character, number, capital letter, things like that, and you can see here, using a mix of letters, numbers, and whatnot, it will have you re-enter it, right? And then we give it a recovery email address so that if something happens here and we can't get in, it can send an email to that address so we can get back into it, or you can just hit skip. Either way. And now you can add a recovery phone number if you want to, and you can do that at any point. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'll just hit next. Read over and accept the privacy policy. And I confirm. And it's going to give me personalized results because I left that turned on. That's fine for what we'll be doing. And then we'll be taken to our Google account. Now this, not only does this give you a Gmail account, but this will also give you email or YouTube and access to all the other Google Suite applications. Okay. And we'll be going through and talking about some of those other tools in later videos, as well as adding this account as a browser default and things like that. But now you're in your Gmail account and you're ready to go. So what I would do to make sure that you get everything set up right, or that you can get back to that Gmail page, is just if you're in Google Chrome, just hit this little star right there, and it will add it to your favorites list, so you can get back, or your bookmark bar, so you can get back to your bookmarks at any time. All right. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help out. Stay tuned for the next training video.